Welcome to our channel and welcome to another week of stock market analysis. Today's video, pag-usapan naman natin sina ASEN, Manila Water, and Dominion Holdings. But before we proceed, mag-recap muna tayo sa performance ng PSEI. PSEI this week closed in the red candle, 5,999.13. So, yung market natin still in our bearish area below our moving averages natin. And for our initial resistance, pa-plot natin siya dito sa moving averages natin. And ito yung magiging initial resistance natin. Then, para sa support natin, I would plot it here under sa mga swing lows natin banda dito sa baba. And ito yung magiging support natin while our resistance will be these moving averages. Then, next resistance natin, if ever ma-break out yung moving average natin would be on this area dito sa taas nito around above the 6,600 levels. Overall, masakit pa rin sa mata ang PSEI natin. 5,800 itong level na to needs to hold. If bumaba pa siya dito, ma-breakdown niya itong 5,800, possible magtuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pagbaba ng market natin. So, yun. Kailangan lang natin siyang bantayan or check kung ano yung possible na mangyayari in the coming futures or in the coming weeks. So, proceed muna tayo sa mga stocks natin for this video. First on our list is ASEN. And ASEN is a stock that should be on your radar. So, candlesticks are above our bullish area. Yan, above siya sa mga moving averages natin. So, let's plot our Darvas box so we could determine yung mga levels na we could consider for our entry. And kung ipo-plot natin siya dito, that's is our Darvas box. Yan. So, breakout niya dito sa resistance dito sa Darvas box natin. And taas natin ng konti. Sa may tail. Sa mga week. Yan. Breakout on this level sa Darvas box natin would bring up with this resistance level around here. Yan. Yung susunod na resistance level niya. Ito. Ayan, actually, ito yun. Ito siya. Mapapansin natin, sakto siya dito sa resistance level. So, pag na-break out na tong Darvas box natin, potentially, ito yung magiging susunod na level natin na we could consider. Kasi dito yung merong mga resistance dito. Support, yan, nagsusupport siya dito. So, this would be the ideal resistance after ma-breakout dito, which is around, kung i-measure natin siya, that's around 11%, almost 11%. Yan, ito yung next resistance. Then, pag na-break out niya itong resistance na to, ang susunod na resistance natin would be on this level. Yan, sa 4.24. Yan, continuation nung pag na-break out niya itong resistance 1 natin, ito yung magiging resistance 2 natin. Then, for our stop loss naman, we will use our moving averages, itong 20-day moving average. Then, pag nabutas naman itong 20-day moving average natin, ang critical na titignan natin is itong bottom ng Darvas box natin. Yan yung next na marirevisit niya. And yun. Pag nabasag naman itong bottom ng Darvas box natin, we might be able to see that ASEN will be going down our bearish area. below the moving averages. So yun, sunod na stock natin is Manila Water Corporation, Manila Water Company, I mean. Ayan. So, for Manila Water, plot muna natin yung Tarvas box natin for Manila Water. So, kung ipa-plot natin si Manila Water, yung Tarvas box niya. Ayan. Natin siya extend ng konti. Ayan. Kung mapapansin natin, Manila Water already broke the top of our box. Ayan, makita natin na broke na niya yung top ng Darvas box natin. So, we expect the stock to be bullish after this. So, Manila Water is already on its 52-week high around 45. Ito, 52-week high na niya to. So, para sa initial resistance natin, what we will do, we will simply duplicate our Darbox box. Duplicate lang natin yung Darbox box natin para ma-determine natin yung next resistance niya. So, next resistance niya would be around this level, around 53 to 54. Yan, just para sa initial resistance natin. So, stop loss natin for MWC or Manila Water Corporation, we would simply use the 20-day moving average. So, banda dito sa 40 level. And yun, pag bumaba siya dun sa 20-day MA natin, ma-stop na yung stock natin or we will be cutting sa stock. Magka-cut loss tayo dito. So, that simply means na hindi materialize yung bias natin, which is very normal sa mga, as no one knows kung saan yung magiging future direction ng market. So, yun, pwedeng bumaba siya dito, then cut. Pero pag nagtuloy-tuloy siya dun sa taas, we will um, use our resistance probably as a target price or pwede rin mag-follow trend using the 20-day MA as your exit or sell conditions. So, itong mga conditions na sineset natin are simply guides for us para hindi tayo maging attached sa stocks and be reasonable in making decisions when we are about to sell. So, last on our list is Dominion Holdings, DHI. Dominion Holdings Incorporated. So, Dominion All Holdings, DRDHI. Sabi nga nila, trend is your friend. So, DHI on the other hand is more of a speculative stocks as of today. Kasi based yung price actions niya from the disclosures na nire-release niya and especially with the people na nakapalibot, influential owners that surrounded the stocks based from the disclosure. So, if we will consider the technical side of DHI, so we can plot our Darvas box around here. Mula dito sa baba na to hanggang dito. Ayan. So, kung titignan na natin si DHI, makikita natin dito it already broke the Darvas box breakout entry natin. So, best entry niya ni Darvas box. Best entry ni Dominion Holdings is yung breakout ng Darvas box. So, yun, meron tayong two options naman to exits. Either yun, mag-follow trend ka using the moving averages natin, 20-day MA, or yun nga, or mag-duplicate ka nung Darvas box natin to determine yung target price. Yan. Almost malapit na siya sa target price kung yung Darvas box yung gagamitin natin. Yan. Yun yung dalawang options na pwede mong consider as your sell points areas. So, for DHI, as of the moment, we can't see any signs of slowing down. So, possible magtuloy-tuloy pa itong si DHI. So, congratulations sa mga holders or sa mga nakaposisyon na kay DHI. So, if you are planning to enter these stocks, then you need to set your conditions, your stops, so you could protect your entry. And I think that's all for our stock analysis video for this for this week. So please like, share, and subscribe if hindi ka pa naka-subscribe. And for your requests, comment your stock below and pag-usapan natin yan. And pwede natin siyang i-consider na isama natin sa susunod na video. And thank you for watching and see you sa susunod na video.